Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Josie and I'm back at it again with another sneaker review, and this time on the bomb! The ALD New Balance P550 in the red colorway from the International Friendship Through Basketball collection. This shoe dropped October 9th alongside 3 other colorways of the shoe in green, navy blue, and gray for a retail of $130. Now, on a real quick tangent about these. I managed to win these off a raffle on N.com, but in a moment of utter stupidity, well, more like forgetfulness or just like not checking to make sure, like, am I getting the right size? I forgot that UK 10.5 translates to a US 11, and these are way too big for me. Honestly, I'm a true 10.5, something to 10, but I can already tell that these shoes are going to be way too big for me. A size 10 would have been perfect. So that means, regretfully, I am not going to, I'm not going to keep these. I'm going to have to let them go, because these are a beautiful sneaker. I like them a lot. And that means, well, it means I have to let them go, and it means there'll be no on-foot look for these, because I have a buyer lined up for them, so I can't wear them in good faith. But before we get into the shoe, they take a quick look at the box. Now, the box came in this yellow hue to give it more of a vintage look, as well we have the New Balance and ALD branding on the corners of either box. And from what I have seen, all the other boxes for these shoes is different. So if you got the gray pair, the green pair, or the blue pair, the stripes will be different. So on my box, I got the red pair, I got a red stripe, and on the side of the boxes, we have the outline of the P550 model in red. Now, if you got any other of the colorways, the model of the shoe will be in that color specifically. So if you got the gray, it'll be a gray outline, green, so forth and so forth. But box is dope. Really like it. It's also not like the. It has these. How you say? You know when you pull things up, like a rip and tear? It has that right here. You can just rip it up and tear it up. But I'm not going to, because I'm gonna sell these. And even if I wasn't gonna sell them, I wouldn't have done that because the box is dope. But box aside, let's put this down. And moving to the actual shoe, we had the P550 model, originally meant to be a basketball sneaker, but ALD brought it back in the full ROG colorways. Starting with the upper, we have a mostly white leather upper that goes all around the shoe, and it's a really nice plush smooth leather upper. Like, the quality is top notch in the shoe. They didn't lack in anything, and you're getting a very nice quality built shoe. The lighting isn't doing me much favor, because give a buck, I don't have a ring light, and I'm making do with what I got. I got all my lights on, so apologies for the lack of lighting. Okay, I fixed it a little bit. It should be a little bit better now. It's looking a little bit more whitewashed, but compared to what before, it should be nice. Here we go. Now moving to the back of the shoe, near the ankle tab, we have red accent, this nylon material with a hem of black leather right here that goes over the nylon material. On the bottom, we also have black right here, and red plastic accent to go around the heel tab of the shoe. Now, the black one is smoother, but the red plastic is a lot harder and has more of a texture to it. It's weird, but has a nice flair to the back of the shoe. As well, in the back of the shoe, we also have the New Balance logo in red right here. Back to the side of the shoe, we have the model number 550 and the smooth plastic branding next to the big end, which is made of a nice cracked leather to give it more of a vintage aesthetic. Moving down the middle of the shoe, the shoe came with stock flat white laces, as well on the tongue. You can see right here, we have a red caterpillar with a basketball apple of a head. It looks weird, I know. Does have the ALD name right here with the 550 number right here in the corner. Moving to the inside of the shoe, we have an all red interior with a white insole with the New Balance logo in red right there and there. And then moving to the bottom, they opted for a yellow midsole to give it more of an aged look, but they also have the New Balance name right here and logo. You can see it right there. Yeah, they are right there sticking out in the plastic and like the midsole material right there. And I really like the fact that they gave it more of an aged look to the midsole. It really adds like a nice fit to the shoe. And then moving to the outsole, we have mostly black with red accents and a little bit of that yellowed color. Now, the main difference between the right side of the shoe and the left pair is the fact that on the left pair, instead of having New Balance name and branding on the back, we have the ALD name and the collection symbol on the back, as well as inside on the, you can see it? Oh, 1 second. As well as inside the insole, we have the ALD name and collection symbol inside. The sneakers also came with 2 extra pairs of laces, one red and another one almost an eggshell color. So if you prefer one over the other, you have the option to switch them out. Honestly, I kind of like the eggshell more because it adds to vintage look, but the red and the white aren't bad options. And yeah guys, that's about it for the sneakers. Like I said, there's not going to be an on-foot look for the sneakers, but I'm going to give y'all some beauty shots to end the video off. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys' thoughts and opinions on the sneakers are. Do you prefer any other colorways? Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family if you guys want to. It really helps the channel grow. Links to socials and everything down in the description. As always, peace, love, positivity, and I'm Bodega, and I'm out. Till next time, peace.